Welcome to Brain Series Part 2. Question number 31. Which brain structure is primarily responsible for maintaining the sleep wake cycle? The right option is B. Hypothalamus. Question number 32. The blood brain barrier primarily functions to. The right option is B. Protect the brain from the harmful substances. Question number 33. Repeated episodes of abnormal electric activity in the brain are called. The right option is B. Epilepsy. Question number 34. Alzheimer's disease primarily affects. The right option is A. Memory and cognition. Question number 35. Parkinson's disease is mainly associated with a deficiency of. The right option is B. Dopamine. Question number 36. Inflammation of brain tissue is called. The right option is A. Encephalitis. Question number 37. Inflammation of the meninges is known as. The right option is B. Meningitis. Question number 38. Which condition occurs due to an interruption of blood supply to the brain? The right option is B. Stroke. Question number 39. Which imaging technique uses strong magnetic fields to visualize the brain? The right option is B. MRI, which is magnetic resonance imaging. Question number 40. The electrical activity of the brain is recorded using. Right option is B. EEG or electroencephalogram. Question number 41. Which brain wave is most common during deep sleep? The right option is C. Delta waves. Question number 42. The rest and digest response is controlled by the. The right option is B. Parasympathetic nervous system. Question number 43. Which division of the autonomic nervous system is known as the flight or flight system? The right option is B. Sympathetic division. Question number 44. The autonomic nervous system mainly controls. The right option is B. Involuntary body functions. Question number 45. How many pairs of cranial nerves arise from the brain? The right option is C. 12 pair of nerves. Question number 46. Which cranial nerve is the longest? The right option is B. Vagus nerve. Question number 47. Which cranial nerve is primarily responsible for hearing and balance? The right option is B. Vestibulocochlear nerve. Question number 48. Which cranial nerve controls most eye movements? The right option is A. Oculomotor nerve. Question number 49. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? The right option is C. Optic nerve. Question number 50. Which cranial nerve is responsible for the sense of smell? The right option is B. Olfactory nerve. Question number 51. GABA is primarily a. The right option is B. It's an inhibitory neurotransmitter. Question number 52. Dopamine plays an important role in. The right option is B. Movement and reward. Question number 53. Which neurotransmitter is commonly known as the feel good chemical? The right option is A. Serotonin. Question number 54. Which neurotransmitter is mainly involved in muscle contraction? The right option is B. Acetylcholine. Question number 55. Chemical messengers released at synapses are called. The right option is B. Neurotransmitters. Question number 56. The gap between two neurons is called the. The right option is B. Synapse. Question number 57. Which cells line the ventricles of the brain? The right option is B. Ependymal cells. Question number 58. Astrocytes primarily help to. The right option is B. It supports and nourish neurons. Question number 59. Which glial cells act as the main immune cells of the brain? The right option is B. Microglia. Question number 60. Which cell forms the myelin sheath in the central nervous system? The right option is C. Oligodendrocyte.